Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to manage users and teams in BoldSign. In BoldSign, you can invite new users to join your organization by sending invitations. There are three types of users: account administrators, team administrators, and members. Teams consist of groups of users working together. You can create and manage any number of teams within BoldSign. The team feature enables all members to collaborate seamlessly on project-related tasks. Users and teams options help coordinate employees in a single location. Let's assume a scenario where a project manager has 4 employees in his team for a project. Now, he has hired 4 more employees for this team. The initial 4 members are already present in his user list, and he now needs to add the remaining 4. Let me demonstrate how to do that in detail. I start by logging into my BoldSign account. Next, I navigate to the Users and Teams option. I choose the Users section. This action will display a list of all users, including those already on the platform. I can now continue to adding the remaining 4 newly hired employees. Additionally, I can enhance security by enabling required 2-step authentication for your team. This setting ensures that all team members are prompted to set up the 2-step authentication during their next sign-in, adding an extra layer of protection for their project and sensitive data. To start adding the newly hired experts, I start by clicking the Invite Users button. In the pop-up box, I select a specific team to which I want the adding to be done. I enter their email addresses and click the Invite button to send out the invitations. If you have a list of emails to be added in bulk, you can utilize the Import from a CSV file option, with a sample CSV file available for download. Once invitations are sent to the 4 new users, they now need to accept the invitation through the email that is sent to them. They open the invitation and click the Accept button to join the team. After the first new member successfully accepts the invitation, the remaining 3 new members follow the same process and also successfully join the team. Now that all 8 members have accepted the invitation and have been added as users, my next step is to assign a role to each member within the group. To do this, I access the user list and hover over each member, assigning them their respective roles. In future, if there's a need to remove someone from the team, there is an option to either delete or deactivate them. This can be achieved by hovering over a specific member, clicking the context menu, and then the Deactivate button. You can reactivate that user by following the same procedure and selecting the Activate option. This flexibility in managing user roles and statuses ensures that the team remains adaptable and responsive to the changing project requirements. I now create a group called Alpha Project Team by bringing all members together. This unified group is essential for effective collaboration on the project. It eliminates the need to share documents with each member individually, simplifying communication and ensuring everyone easily accesses the required project resources. To create the team, I take the following steps. I click the Teams option. Find and select the Adding Team button on the Overview page. I then enter the new team's name. And click the Adding button. This process successfully creates a new team. My next task is to transfer all my team members to this newly established team. Here's how I go about it. I return to the team where my members are. I individually hover over each user and access the context menu. A list of options will appear. I chose the Change Team option to move them to the new team seamlessly. To transfer each user to the new team, select the target team from the drop-down menu within the displayed dialog box. I also decide what to do with any existing documents tied to the user, whether to move them to the new team or transfer them to another user. After making these selections, I click the Confirm button to execute the transfer. This process is repeated for all 8 users, ensuring each is correctly moved to the new team and document management is handled as needed. If you need to move members from one team to another, an alternative approach is to delete the user from the initial team. This is because a single user cannot simultaneously exist in 2 or more teams. Then, you can add them to a new team. From the Teams Overview page, you can delete, activate, or deactivate a user. You could also delete or edit a team. This is by hovering over a specific team and clicking on the context menu to reveal a list of available options. With these processes in place, you can add users and create a new team for your project. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.